Why did Netflix, Uber, and Amazon move from one big application to hundreds of tiny ones? The answer is microservices. Early apps were monoliths, all features in one codebase. Easy to start, but hard to scale. If one feature failed, the whole app broke. Companies adopted microservices, independent modular services. Example, Netflix, recommendation, payments, and streaming, all separate services. Microservices dominate modern architectures. They allow independent scaling, faster development, and flexibility. A monolith is like one giant department store. Microservices are a mall with many specialized shops. A monolith is like one giant department store. Microservices are a mall with many specialized shops. Microservices plus Kubernetes equals cloud-native future. But complexity in monitoring and communication is the next big challenge. Microservices traded simplicity for scalability. It's why global apps can handle billions of users today.